So I got asked a few times that where is the battery located in a Chrysler 200 and how you can go about replacing it. And so I thought I'd make a quick video on it. And the location of the battery is inside of the fender well. If you look at this diagram right here, it's on the driver's side, right in front of the tire, behind the fender. It'll be right up and in there. You will have to remove the tire to get to the battery and to replace it if you need to. And so how would you go about replacing it if you needed to? Well, you need a new battery, obviously. You need a 13 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter socket, and a screwdriver. You'd want to disconnect the terminal inside of the engine bay before you get in there. I guess it's not completely necessary, but it's a good idea. You have to jack up the car and take the tire off. And on the front right there, there's some little push pins in the wheel and the splash wheel, and you just pop them out, and the like plastic cover will come off. And the battery will be located right up and in there. You use a 13 millimeter socket. You could take the battery holder and the side brackets off, and you would just take out the old battery and insert the new battery. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of where the battery is located on a 2010 to 2014 Chrysler 200. Might be some other years in there too. I'm not completely sure about those. But if you have any questions, ask me down below and I'll try to answer them. But that's basically it. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.